Hello, my name is Instructor Perera. I'm going to be the instructor for the software testing program organized by Target Labs. Just want to give you a quick background about myself. I have been working in software industry for about over 15 years, and I have been wearing various different hats. I have been a software developer, software tester, test manager, senior manager, so on. I have been working both government as well as commercial sectors. And testing has been a passion of mine, and I have built many wonderful test teams over the years. So this is a very good way for me to segue into teaching software testing. So I would like to talk a little bit about this particular software testing program. This is a special program we put together for students, those who do not have a lot of experience in either software testing or any technical background for that matter. So what that means is this program is designed in a way that is very slow-paced. It has both basic, both fundamental as well as advanced testing concept being taught in very practical and pragmatic manner. We also have this program going for several months in small sessions, and that would really help you to not only understand the concepts but enough time to do homeworks. There will be a lot of group sessions within the classes that we are teaching. Group sessions, if you would, where we would be talking about practical applications of software testing, the type of the problems that you would encounter whenever you take your first job, for example. So this program really is for those who always wanted to get into software testing but didn't have the confidence because you didn't have any prior experience. So this is a special program in that sense that the materials are catered to audience of that caliber. And we hope that you make use of this class and become a software tester, a productive member of all software development life cycle. Thank you.